Good afternoon. Okay, start again.
It's okay. It's kind of funny.
Good afternoon and welcome to For Life Kitchens. I am here with my dad. We are cooking our favorite rice, Basmati white rice.
I eat it every day.
Literally every day. So we have taken 2 cups of rice, our Basmati rice, and we have placed it in the pan and soaked it.
And what I think we should tell them is that we've tried a lot of rices, but the Basmati from India is our favorite.
It's one of our favorites, yes.
Okay, go ahead.
So some of the things that we like about Basmati rice is the taste, the flavor. We prefer the white Basmati rice. It has a lot of nutritional value. It's great for the heart. It also, the word Basmati means full of fragrance.
I love the Indian rice the best. I think that's my favorite.
I do.
Long grain Basmati. And it's low on the glycemic index, so it doesn't spike your sugar.
Right.
To speed things up, we pre-measured to make your life easier. Yeah. Okay, Aaron, let's put in 2 cups of chicken broth. Actually, I'm going to use 3 cups today. I sometimes do plain water, but we're going to do 3 cups.
All right.
We're going to use 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, and then you're going to use a spoon and a half of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and my daughter loves this, 1 tablespoon of, what do you call it?
Chili oil.
Chili oil, okay, good.
My favorite.
Okay, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, and dried, hydrated, whatever you want to call it, garlic.
Minced garlic.
Okay, minced garlic, there we go.
1 tablespoon.
Okay, we're going to bring that to a boil, and then we're going to simmer it for 25 minutes. Yes. They say it's a proven fact that flavor intensifies if you soak the rice ahead of cooking it, and it also removes the starch so you don't have it all clumping together.
We are now going to go ahead and put our lid on top. We're going to let that cook for 25 minutes. Do not peek. So we have now let it rest for about 15 minutes.
Yes.
And we are now going to take that off.
Ooh, looks great.
And we're going to go ahead and fluff that. And then we're going to...
Oh, that smells so good. I love the aroma of basmati. And I like the texture because it's not, kind of sticking together.
Yeah,
a lot of people like sticky rice. This is, but it's nice.
It's got a nice color with our sauce as well. So we're gonna go ahead and I will give you some.
We got to try it. And so it's just got a nice look.
You can also improvise with some ingredients as well. You can use lemon zest in there. You can squeeze fresh lemon juice. And you can also add spinach. I know we've done spinach and some chicken in there. So whichever way that you want to improvise with this recipe, with that sauce, can also enhance that flavor as well.
It's a meal.
It is.
In a bowl.
It is, literally.
Enjoy it, eat it, it's healthy.
Agreed.
I thought you were going to go.
Okay. So the reason that, okay, maybe you should start.
Okay.
And then we're going to simmer it, put the lid on.
How long?
That I don't know, Dad, because I usually just...
No, simmering it. You simmer it for 25.
So we're going to, okay.
Okay.
Welcome back. Take 4.
Okay, so we're going to bring it to a boil.
We're going to bring it to a boil. Okay, Dad, hold on. I need to remember where I am. So.
Okay.